Alright, today guys we are gonna pimp this awesome ride right here. I mean, look at how cool this is, and guys trust me, it's like the best drift vehicle in the game. And I mean, look at this vehicle right here. Look at this. Look at this thing. This is like so awesome. Wow, I'm totally in love with this car. And I mean, look at how small this car is. But yes guys, this is one of the big, one of the most awesome drift cars, and I'm not even kidding. Look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I actually hate the. Yeah, you gotta see that, right? Okay, like see, most vehicles can do this, right? You just hold up acceleration and brake, and then you spin around. Any vehicle can do this, right? Everyone can do this. But what most of the vehicles can do is this thing. Look at what I'm going to do right now. Your vehicle can do this, but it's going to be a big circle. This is like a small circle right here. Okay, first we are going to drift our vehicle. Oh, sorry, we need to pick our vehicle. I have put so many factors on it. But yeah, let's spin this. This is going to be an awesome drift vehicle. Perform some miracles. Okay. 455 armor brakes, like I said guys, if you want to use it, we're gonna go down to the comfort. Now like I said guys, this is one of the vehicle to customize. A lot. Go to retro style, reset it. You got this. That comes is my favorite. This one, no other vehicle in the game has this way. Exhaust. Damn. Yes, I'm purchasing this one. Grill, okay. So we have this one, this. So we can remove the photo and remove the grill completely. I think I'll just remove the grill completely. We don't want the grill, no grill. We are gonna keep this one, alright. Just gonna keep black grill. We don't want photo right now. I'm gonna okay, right now you can see guys, there are 23 customization for this vehicle. Every vehicle in the game has about 15 to 16. Even Sentinel has 21, but this thing has 23. Hood, we have the vented one, carbon. We're gonna take the vented one, and I think it's vented carbon. Okay, cool. Okay, it's in coverage. Plate. Yes, we are gonna put a Sinex down there. But which one should we put? Yellow and black. Yeah, yellow and black. I'll definitely go for a respray around that colors. Put some metallic. Let's see from up here. You can see this, right? This is a body kit. They just fitted a body kit on us. Okay, something I'm looking for is, yes, bright orange. Okay, this thing looks sick right now. This thing looks nice. Okay, first we're gonna put a secondary color. We're gonna come back for that color. I'm gonna put a metallic black. Cool. And now we're gonna go for primary metallic. Sorry. Now I'll tell you guys why I'm picking up metallic. Bright orange, right? Yeah, this thing looks sick right now. Damn, look at this vehicle. Even this thing which comes, the default is already on it. I mean, this vehicle's looking sick right now. Now, yes, I know the wheels are making it bad, but we're gonna come on that. Pulse end, guys, pulse end. Okay, it's already race yellow. But yeah, look at this. Oh man, it's killing me. This is the race yellow they gave us, but I don't think the race yellow is looking good. This one's looking good. Yellow. But let me just see if we have something else, other options. Just gonna keep it like this. No, I actually think, like according to me, yellow Paulson's good. We're gonna purchase this. Now guys, picking up a Paulson is up to you. But like I said, it is one of the cheapest customization. It is. We're gonna go down roll cage. Okay. No roll cage, roll cage. Oh, it's making my seat looks cool. This is giving me a cage. Oh, okay, that's gonna be a good thing. We're gonna keep a roll cage. And it actually makes my, look at my seat. It's only my driver's seat. No passenger, but yeah, this roll cage right here looks good. We're gonna pick it up. And then roof, okay, we can do roof spoiler. Wow, yes, we are picking it. I mean, we are taking it everything. This car, but look at that, very expensive. Custom skirts, okay, yeah. We want this.
Great taste.
No, we are not gonna sell it. Spoiler, okay. We got lip spoiler, that's like the cheapest one you can find. You can go for upgrade, that's like cheap lip plus dark tail. You got the GT wing, or you got this one. Now look at this one. This actually makes it look classy. But this one right here, it's I'm actually confused. Wait, give me some time. This. Yeah, we're gonna go for drift wing because we are gonna drift. Suspension, yes, we're gonna drop it low. You need to actually drop it low for drifting.
This will give you some more zip.
Turbo, now yes guys, now turbo, if you notice, if you actually do it turbo, it's gonna increase your acceleration up to complete 100. But right now I don't have it. I don't really need it, so I'm not gonna waste my 30k. Wheels, wheel type, sports, stock. Okay, if you pick up chrome rims, guys, remember you can't change the color. This one looks good. Deep 5. Oh, not really. Now guys, picking up a rim is completely up to you. And I think the 5 one looks good because it's 5. This one's sick too. Gan Master. I think I'll just pick one of these. Both of these looks nice. Okay, what other options do we have? Okay. Now right now this thing doesn't look good. Nah, D5, yeah, D5 doesn't look good anymore. We're gonna go for Rafael. Now guys, picking up rims is completely on you. Pick up any of these because you need them to color your vehicle. Wheel color. Oh yeah, we need something bright orange, right? Yeah, look at this color. It's going. Okay. Now it's looking sick. Okay, tires. Tire design. Oh, it's a drift one. We definitely need custom tires. Tire enhancement. Now guys, this is completely on you if you need to pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up because people are gonna be jealous and trying to blow up my vehicle.
This is the same stuff they use on armored cars.
And tire smoke. Okay, we need yellow or orange. I actually picked up bright orange and I'm confused that is it yellow or orange. I think I'll just go for orange. I'm so confused right now. Yellow or orange? Okay, we are gonna go for orange right now. If we not, we're gonna come back and change it. windows. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a tint. Because interiors are not that good to keep it open. Okay, this is it, people. This is it. Yeah, and guys, we need the race brakes. Come on, we need the brakes. We forgot the brakes.
60 to
Yes.
0 in like 2 seconds.
And guys, like I said, engine, it just gives you like, you know, the acceleration is increased, so you don't need to buy turbo tuning. Let's go, people outside. Actually, first let's see the. I actually did not change the lights. Yeah, I forgot the lights also. Plus, I need to check the. Yeah, I think orange is good. Let's get it. Put neon lights, and look at those exhaust.
What brings you in today?
Okay, lights. I forgot about the lights. I even forgot the one. Actually, how I did not see it. Layout, yes. You're putting 30k complete. And guys, putting lights is completely up to you. This one, golden shower. No, golden shower is looking good. This is like between them. This is too light, it's too dark. This is in between. Cool. And horn. This one looks nice. I actually like the first one. Let's go with it. Let's go, people. Let's go outside. Oh man, look at the drift vehicle right now. It is looking pretty sick. Now plates right there help me up with the color you should put. Interest. I like it for people. This is one of